Hello, here I'll give you a quick overview of the Japanese Abacus simulator, Soroban. It's digital. So the first column represents the unit speed, and the 4 beads at the bottom are called the earth beads. The top beads are called the heavenly beads, and this bar across there is called the reckoning bar. As you can see, displayed below are zeros. In other words, no number has been represented on the abacus. If I move this bead towards the reckoning bar, I choose 1. If I move another, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 units. Now when your child is playing with the abacus, they learn quickly and easily the positions of the units column, that's 4. And when you click at the top of this bead there, they all go back to 0. When you move each bead at the top represents 5, so this will be 5 units, so it shows there 5 units. Now you move another bead from the lower earth beads upwards, 6. Watch me as I click on the bead, what happens here. Comes 7, 5, 6, 7. So your child is seeing objects move. So your child is using his or her senses, all of her senses. Sense of sight, they're seeing the beads. They're moving their beads with their finger. They're seeing the positions change. All of that reinforces her understanding, his or her understanding of the units column. You clear the bead by moving it, click on the top there. That's cleared. To represent 10, we move 1 bead in the 10th column from the bottom there. See, it shows 10. Watch me as I click on the bead, what happens here. 2, 3, 4. If I move there, what happens? 5. So that's the second column represents the 10th column. 5, I want to add 1 more. Look what happens here. 6, 7, 8, 9. Now how do I represent 100s? I clear this column. I add 1, 100. You see that? 200, 300, 400. So if your child wants to represent 230, he or she moves 2 beads in the hundreds column, 3 beads in the 10th column, and you have 230. Let's clear that. How to represent 525? Move 1 bead from the top, which is 5, 2 beads from the 2 and 5, 525. Your child sees the colors of the beads, the position of the beads, and therefore get a solid understanding of place value. Hundreds, 500, 25, these 2 beads, 25, 5 units bead. So your child has clear understanding. So how do I represent the year 2022? 2000. This is the hundreds column. You see that there? This is the thousands column. This is the 10,000 column. So if I want to represent the year 2022, this will be 20,000, 20,000. Sorry. 20,000, right? 20,000 and the year 22. 22. That's it. So your child can quickly and easily grasp place values, especially when it comes to big numbers. And they will be able to add Japanese and Chinese and Korean and Singaporean students. All have a solid foundation in the use of the abacus, so they have a very solid understanding of place value, of decimals and so on. And they use the abacus so often that they can visualize the beads, the position of the beads in their mind, in their head. So if you have 22, they can add 22 to these 22 quickly and easily, get 44 in their head. Let's say you have 21, you have 32, and you want to add 12, they can quickly and easily do that and get the answer. And they can do it mentally. I'll show you where Japanese students, Korean students can add huge numbers, like for example this 3-digit number 235, and they will add say 501 to that in their head quickly by just moving a bead up and down. 745. So give your child the opportunity to develop this amazing skill by using the abacus. You can download the abacus ceremony from the internet and it's free. Install it on your computer or on your laptop or your tablet, or the apps are available on smartphones too. So your child has a wonderful opportunity of developing the skill of using the abacus. Enjoy.